this video we're going to look at developing CPR for Thinkorswim. So developing CPR will give you the signal whether to go up or down before this the candle opens above the CPR. So if the candle is in between the CPR, you do not know whether the trend is going to go up or down. So the developing CPR can help you accurately identify the trend when the CPR is in between the candle, in between the CPR range. So let's look at this. Let's now put in the CPR. Okay. So if you want any of these indicators, please let me know. We'll send you the link to download. So I'm going to put a monthly CPR. Okay. So I'm on a daily time frame. So let me just flip it to Hikanashi candles. Okay, so appearance Hikanashi. Okay. So in this case, typically if you want to go long, you want to take a long position after the candle crosses this CPR above top CPR here, right? With the upper wick, only no lower wick, right? So this will go up. You can just exit when it turns green, red. Okay. So here also same thing. You have to wait till this candle comes up for take the trade. Okay. So this problem is you have to wait so long, and then you do not know whether exactly the candle is going to go, the trend is going to go up or not. Okay. So now let me put in developing CPR, developing pivots. Okay. So I'm going to flip it to monthly, and then I'm going to switch this to yellow. Bottom CPR I'm going to flip it to red. Okay, and then top CPR I'm going to flip it to green. Okay, 2 here also, 2 here also. Okay, so now watch what happens. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing. So here edit, developing CPR. I don't want this. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see that the trend is turning green, right? This is basically it's aggregate looking at the CPR data for a past 1 month on a daily time frame, and then trend telling us that hey, this CPR is going to reverse here itself. Okay, so it's basically the CPR line, right? Central CPR line has above the bottom CPR. So when the central CPR is below the bottom CPR, it becomes a red. Okay, so here is a bottom CPR red, and the central CPR is below. That means the trend is reversing to the downside. So here it's basically reversing to the upside. So here you can just take the trade once this candle it turns green, and then wait till it turns green, and then when it's a sell signal, you can tell it sell it, take it off. Okay, same thing here. Okay, so it basically turned green below, and then you can see that it has gone up. So this way it will help you identify the trend ahead of time. Okay, so this is a free indicator which we have created for Thinkorswim. This is already in TradingView. We just basically model after that. This is not something which I found or developed, but this is the trending CPR talked about in Pivot Boss book. Okay, so this could give you indication of down or uptrend ahead of time. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you want this indicator, please let us know. So we will also show you how to scan for this down and up CPR in the next video. Thank you.